Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME C55 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of REALME and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to REALME. On it, tap on all of those categories located at the top. Now, to select multiple files from your category, select this dot at the top left corner. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. And hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to select one of those connection ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then select while using the app or only this time. And point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, click on Input Key section, enter all of those numbers, and hit Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!